Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a cute class schedule for yourself in Kilonotes. Open the app and then click on create a notebook, choose the cover, but it's not that important now. But what it's important is that go to the inside pages and here you can find class schedule themes. Choose one of them and schedule, confirm creation, and now you can easily edit your schedule either by writing with your handwriting, or give a text. For example, P lesson Monday. Of course you can do it much better. I just showed you how to start it. Have fun with it and have a nice day.